Did you grow up without a lot of money? So did I. But let me tell you something, money won't make you happy. It can amplify who you already are. If you're unhappy now, more money won't change that. And if you're a jerk, more money will only make you a bigger jerk. Money won't solve your problems, it will make them bigger. However, if you're a generous person, money can amplify your generosity, and you could become a philanthropist, giving back and having fun doing it. It's all about cause and effect. You reap what you sow. If you plant stupid, you'll get a crop of desperation. But if you do 5 things with money over a period of time, like 10 or 15 years, you can build a level of wealth 100% of the time. And these 5 things are common sense. But common sense is so rare nowadays that it's like having a superpower. The first thing you need to do is get on a budget, a written plan. You need to do a budget on paper on purpose before the month begins every month. If you manage money for a company called You Incorporated, the way you manage money for You Incorporated should be the way you manage money for yourself. You need to be organized and have a plan. The second thing you need to do is get out of debt. We all know this one. The Bible says the borrower is slave to the lender. Debt keeps you from building wealth, and it keeps you from living the life you want. So get out of debt and stay out of debt. The third thing you need to do is have an emergency fund. Life happens. You need to have money set aside for emergencies so you don't have to go into debt when they happen. You need to have 3 to 6 months worth of expenses set aside in a separate account that's easily accessible. The fourth thing you need to do is invest. You need to invest for retirement and for the future. It's never too early or too late to start. You need to make your money work for you, not just work for your money. And the fifth and final thing you need to do is give. Giving back is one of the most important things you can do with your money. It's not just about writing a check. It's about being generous with your time, your talents, and your resources. When you give, you receive so much more in return. Your most powerful tool for building wealth is your income, and it's time to put it to work for you. Don't believe me? Let me show you the numbers. According to the National Auto Dealers Association, the average car payment in America is dangerously close to $500. That's $500 a month that could be invested in a decent growth stock mutual fund from age 30 to age 70, resulting in a whopping $5.6 million. Think about that for a moment. You're not just paying for a car, you're making someone else rich. But it's not just car payments that are holding you back. Credit card debt, student loans, and other forms of borrowing are keeping you in bondage. It's time for a change. Take control of your finances and make the decision to stop borrowing money. Have a plastectomy and cut up those credit cards. Trust me, you won't miss them. Once you're out of debt, it's time to focus on fostering high-quality relationships. Who you surround yourself with has a huge impact on your finances and your life. So choose wisely and surround yourself with people who share your values and goals. And remember, you're in charge of your life. Don't wait for someone else to fix your problems. Take control and make the changes necessary to build the life you want. You've got this. Imagine a life where you are in control of your destiny, where you have the power to create the future that you want. It's possible, my friends, and it all starts with the choices you make today. Firstly, let's talk about the people you surround yourself with. The company you keep has a profound impact on your life, your habits, your income, and your future. You become who you hang around with, so choose wisely. Seek out people who inspire you, who challenge you, and who push you to be better. Read books that expand your mind and expose you to new ideas. Don't be fooled by reality TV. It's not reality. Instead, choose to invest your time and energy into things that will enrich your life and your future. Next, let's talk about saving and investing. Wise people save money for an emergency, for unexpected expenses, and for retirement. Don't rely on the government to take care of you. Take charge of your own financial future. Invest in yourself and in your future by putting money into a savings account or investing in the stock market. Don't just spend everything you make, save some for a rainy day. Generosity is also a key part of a fulfilling life. Being generous is not just about transferring funds, it's a spirit of giving that makes you more attractive, more cheerful, and more fulfilled. Generous people smile more, they are more pleasant to be around, and they make the world a better place. Don't wait until you're rich to be generous. Start now with what you have. In summary, the choices you make today will shape your future. Surround yourself with people who inspire you, read books that expand your mind, save and invest for your future, and be generous with what you have. It's that simple, and it's that powerful. You have the power to create the life you want. So start today and watch as your sorrows become deeper and your joys become higher. Don't miss out on this opportunity to take a step forward in your personal growth. Subscribe and like this video now.